Looking for a tool that helps you see where the human eye can't? Whether you're inspecting engines, pipes, or electronics, an industrial endoscope camera can be a total game changer. In this video, we're counting down the top 5 best industrial endoscope cameras on the market, from budget-friendly options to pro-level gear. We'll cover their features, strengths, and what makes each one worth your attention. And if you want to check out any of the products we mention, all the links are conveniently listed in the description below. Let's dive in. Top 5. KERUI 4.3-inch single dual lens. The KERUI dual lens industrial endoscope inspection camera is a powerful handheld digital borescope designed for high-performance inspections in challenging environments. Featuring dual lens technology, this camera provides sharp, detailed images from multiple angles, making it easier to detect issues in hard-to-reach areas. With 1080p resolution and a 4.3-inch full-color LCD screen, users can view real-time footage with exceptional clarity. Its IP67 waterproof rating ensures reliable performance in wet or humid conditions, while the built-in 2,000 mAh battery offers 3 to 5 hours of continuous operation without the need for external power. The endoscope also includes adjustable brightness and supports 10 language options, enhancing usability across various industries and settings. 4. ENWOR 4.3-inch 100 mm endoscope. The endoscope camera with a 4.3-inch screen is a powerful and versatile inspection tool, ideal for a wide range of applications. Featuring a high-definition 1080p 8mm lens, this borescope delivers clear, detailed images for precise diagnostics. It comes with a replaceable rigid cable ranging from 1 to 100 meters, making it perfect for inspecting pipes, automotive components, or hard-to-reach areas. Equipped with adjustable LED lights, it ensures visibility even in dark or tight spaces. The built-in 2600 mAh rechargeable battery provides extended working time, while the USB connectivity offers convenient data transfer and charging. Top 3. Nano N-Name Null 400. Experience precision and convenience with our industrial endoscope, designed to streamline your inspection tasks. Effortlessly capture detailed visuals with one-click photo and video recording, perfect for later analysis and sharing. Equipped with 8 adjustable LED lights, this tool brightly illuminates dark or hard-to-reach areas, ensuring clear visibility at all times. The 1080p dual camera, featuring both front and side lenses, delivers high-definition imaging for comprehensive inspections. View everything in real time on the vibrant 4.3-inch IPS screen, which offers sharp visuals even in challenging lighting. With a flexible 3.9mm or 5.5mm semi-rigid cable, you can easily navigate tight or curved spaces, making it ideal for mechanical, automotive, or plumbing applications. 2. VEVOR VV-SC 328 Stat. Experience professional-grade inspections with our advanced sewer camera system, featuring a premium 9-inch color TFT LCD screen that delivers vivid, crystal-clear images and an immersive viewing experience. Equipped with DVR functionality and a 16GB micro SD card, this setup allows easy recording and storage of inspection footage for later review. The waterproof camera, with a compact 0.9-inch diameter, easily navigates pipelines as small as 0.98-inch, aided by a flexible spring and durable stainless steel housing. 12 high-intensity LEDs ensure exceptional visibility even in the darkest environments. With a 328 feet rugged cable and an integrated reel for hassle-free organization, you can reach deep inspection points effortlessly. The system is powered by a robust 4,500 mAh rechargeable lithium battery, providing up to 8 hours of continuous use with a real-time capacity display. Ideal for both residential and industrial use, this plumbing inspection camera is the perfect tool for professionals in plumbing, engineering, and municipal maintenance, tackling hard-to-reach spaces such as drain pipes, ducts, and sewer lines with ease. List 1. INSKAM C30M. This high-definition endoscope is equipped with a 1080p HD camera, allowing you to capture clear and detailed images, ideal for inspection and repair tasks. Its 4.3-inch IPS screen offers vibrant colors and wide viewing angles, ensuring optimal visibility even in bright conditions. Designed for tough environments, it features an IP67 waterproof rating, allowing safe use in damp or dark areas. With 8 built-in LED lights, it delivers bright, consistent illumination for clear visuals in low-light spaces. Versatile and reliable, this tool is perfect for automotive repairs, plumbing inspections, and various professional applications. Built with durable materials and crafted in mainland China, it ensures long-lasting performance and resilience. Thanks for watching our breakdown of the top 5 best industrial endoscope cameras. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech reviews, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. All the product links we mentioned are listed in the description below, so feel free to check them out and find the one that fits your needs best. Got questions or your own favorite pick? Drop a comment. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks again, and we'll see you in the next video.